Hey poopers, welcome to hashtag straight poop. Larry Gerber, the barbecue man. We're cooking something today. You made a reservation at the chef's table. Didn't cost you anything else. You got in here before the bourgeoisie, which is good. So join us in the kitchen. I don't know what we're cooking, man. It's on the thumbnail. But join us, because if you're waiting for me, you're loafing. Join us. Yeah, so I got a stainless steel bowl of crushed pineapple, half a can, or a small can. Now I mixed up cannabis oil. I got brown sugar. I got 5 eggs. Got cinnamon. Got a pinch of salt. And now I'm adding my well, they're all wet ingredients, but I'm adding a half of a container. It's 8 ounces of small curd cottage cheese. And then it kind of adds a textural thing. You know, it's small curd, it's not large curd. I wouldn't use large curd because it's like biting into something, you know, that is a little bit too large. So I want to get this thing amalgamated, okay? Yeah, so I want to get it all mixed up because I'm adding a whole pint of sour cream, okay? A whole one. Now this adds a tang, it adds very good flavor, and you need this flavor in here because basically it's noodles, it's flavoring, and it's dairy. And I also forgot that I had a half a stick of cannabis butter mixed into that mixing cup as well. So in order to get it all mixed up in that mixing cup, a whisk is probably the best tool because otherwise it sticks in the corners where the top goes to the bottom, that corner there. But as you see, I'm mixing this up and it's turning from a dark brown to a, I don't know, like a beige color. But I want to make sure that all of this is smooth. The cinnamon is put in there. There's also a pinch of nutmeg, and I didn't go as far as putting a pinch of mace in there or any cloves because it's really not part of that. But if you wanted to add sweet spices, you know, you could, but cinnamon and nutmeg. We only use white egg noodles, okay? We don't use anything with durum wheat. There may be durum wheat in there, but it's predominantly an egg noodle, okay? You wouldn't use, you know, like a spaghetti or a macaroni, or, you know, you could use cremettes as long as it's a wide egg noodle. And I know they make them. Most brands do, okay? So wide egg noodles, and you just mix that up, and yeah, it's better if I use a spatula instead of a regular utensil. Now I can get in there. Now just folding it, making sure every piece of those noodles, I call it pasta if we're making pasta, but this is just plain old noodles. I don't think when my grandmother made this for the first time, she knew anything about pasta, okay? They called it noodles, and that's what this is. So I'm just, mixing it up and making sure my pan, that's a quarter hotel pan, it's lubricated or sprayed on grease. I use Pam, okay? I get it in all the corners all over the place. And then we simply put it in the pan and then into the oven. Yeah, we're gonna just keep doing this just for a second. All right, I don't know if it's gonna, like I mentioned, I don't know if I made too much. Oh no, I got just enough. Well, maybe this pan wouldn't accommodate, but certainly does. Now, I'm going to do that. Put it down here. And I got my oven preheated, 400 degrees for an hour. And that's always nice. So I'm going to put it in the oven. I want you guys come back and join us. Thanks for joining us here at #StraightPoop. Make sure you pick up your free e-cookbook. You've been seeing the graphics, so just follow the graphics and hit the link. Okay, we'll be right back when this kugel's ready. Thanks. Look at my Luxion kugel. Man, my mom, my grandmother would look really, really proud on me. We make this all the time, you know? Really easy, showed you how. Nice and firm. The noodles are crispy on the top. And pineapple, cinnamon, sugar, all that neat stuff. Cannabis, don't forget that. So on that note, guys, you see the graphics leads you to where to get the free e-cookbook. Hit the link in the comment section and grab one. It'll be in your email box like in 15, 18, 30 seconds, no later. Okay? So on that note, my girls say goodbye. Thank you for joining us here on #StraightPoop. Poopers, I'm a pooper too. We'll see you next time.